Welcome back to Auto Garage, your ultimate destination for exploring the world's most powerful machines. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of one of the most incredible engineering feats of 2026, the tracks of the new Cat Mega Bulldozer. These tracks are not just rubber or steel, they are a perfect combination of advanced engineering, cutting-edge materials, and futuristic design built to tackle the toughest terrains on Earth. When you first lay eyes on these tracks, the sheer scale immediately catches your attention. Each track is massive, composed of heavy-duty steel segments fused with a high-strength composite for durability and flexibility. The chrome-plated rollers shine under light, reflecting the meticulous craftsmanship that went into every moving part. Unlike traditional tracks, these are designed to reduce friction while maximizing traction, allowing the bulldozer to move seamlessly over rocky landscapes, muddy construction sites, or even steep inclines without losing stability. One of the standout features is the track suspension system. Engineers have incorporated a fully independent suspension for each segment, which absorbs shocks and vibrations even in the harshest conditions. This means the bulldozer doesn't just plow through terrain, it glides with a precision that enhances operator control. The tracks themselves are engineered with wide treads that distribute the machine's massive weight evenly, preventing ground sinking and ensuring optimal grip. Whether it's shifting tons of earth or leveling uneven surfaces, these tracks maintain balance and efficiency. Another fascinating aspect is the use of advanced materials. The tracks combine ultra-tough steel with reinforced polymer inserts, creating a perfect blend of rigidity and flexibility. This innovation reduces wear and tear, increases lifespan, and significantly cuts down on maintenance costs. The rollers are engineered to rotate smoothly, minimizing heat buildup even during long, continuous operation. What's more, the track system is modular, meaning individual segments can be replaced without dismantling the entire track, saving valuable downtime on the job site. The design also considers safety and environmental factors. The track's wide profile ensures minimal ground pressure, reducing environmental impact during large-scale earth-moving projects. In addition, the noise-reducing technology integrated into the track system ensures the machine operates more quietly, which is particularly beneficial in urban construction zones. The reflective chrome detailing is not just for aesthetics, it also serves as a visual indicator for operators, enhancing safety by providing clear visibility of moving components. From a technological standpoint, these tracks are fully optimized for 2026 standards. Sensors embedded in the rollers and suspension system continuously monitor stress, load, and terrain conditions. This data feeds directly to the operator's cabin, giving real-time insights that allow precise maneuvering even in the most challenging environments. Imagine moving through mud, gravel, or steep inclines with the confidence that the machine adapts intelligently to every obstacle. In terms of aesthetics, these tracks are as impressive as they are functional. The shiny black treads paired with chrome-plated rollers create a visual statement of strength and sophistication. Every line, curve, and joint is designed to communicate power and precision. The tracks don't just move earth, they move imaginations, showcasing what modern engineering can achieve when performance meets futuristic design. In conclusion, the tracks of the 2026 Cat Mega Bulldozer represent the pinnacle of industrial innovation. They embody durability, efficiency, and intelligent design, enabling this behemoth to tackle terrains that were once impossible. For anyone fascinated by heavy machinery, construction technology, or mechanical marvels, these tracks are a testament to the incredible progress in engineering today. So, if you're ready to witness the future of construction, stay tuned with Auto Garage for more deep dives into machines that redefine power and precision. These